That is the warning now from health experts concerned about a fourth wave of COVID coming.
Yeah, this comes as coronavirus cases are on the rise across the country. 8 on your side's Melissa Marino joins us now live in Hillsborough County with more on the story. Melissa.
Well, hey there, good afternoon. Cases are also on the rise right here in Florida. That's why experts are saying please keep practicing these safety measures at least for a little bit longer. Despite a rush to vaccinate, cases are on the rise across the nation, including in Florida. And experts worry a fourth wave is emerging.
There are two things that are driving that. One is that people, as I said, are getting really tired. And they're not, being as careful about wearing the masks and the social distancing as they had been, let's say, in January, for example. And the other is that this UK variant, the B.1.1.7 variant that's out there, that's much more infectious.
Dr. Thomas UNNASCH, co-director of the USF Center for Global Health Infectious Disease Research, says vaccination efforts are helping, but he's urging people to stay the course and keep practicing COVID safety protocols.
At least for about another 4 to 6 weeks. I think we managed to go for another 4 to 6 weeks. The vaccinations are going to be able to overtake this fourth wave and the virus and the spread of the virus. And we'll start to reach herd immunity, and this is just going to start to decline.
Now, something that's making this more difficult to track, a trend that's emerging, less people are getting tested. So I'm going to have more on that and why that's presenting issues coming up at 5. Josh?
Hey, Melissa, I've had a lot of people ask me, or tell me actually, they're tired of hearing about this fourth wave. We've talked about it here a lot. When is this fourth wave going to happen? When could it occur? How long will it last? I'm starting to see ads for concerts coming up in the next few months. People are starting to book, concert tickets and go to these shows. So is there any indication on what he means? He did say 4 to 6 weeks, but how long this could happen or how long we have to be in for this fight before we even see this fourth wave, or when we'll even know if we're in it?
Yeah, he actually believes it's starting right now. He's saying it's not as bad right now because of how quickly we are getting folks vaccinated. So he said their predictions, luckily, they kind of overshot their predictions. So that's good news. He thinks that if people keep practicing these safety measures, we could be out of this and really starting to turn a corner by the end of June, early July. So definitely some good news there.
And he's kind of tying that to this herd immunity, right? If we hang on a bit longer, the vaccines will catch up and then we should be good to go, so to speak.
Exactly. He said the past couple of weeks we've really sped up the vaccine process. He said so that's why it's not as bad. And if we just hang in there a couple more weeks, he thinks this will really turn a corner.
It's always tough.